It's been a minute since I've recorded one of these videos, but I'm here. Took a little break from social media, kind of got burnt out, but I had to figure out a system. But anyway, last video I posted was actually of week 9 of ICC, the bootcamp, whatever the case is. And currently I'm on week 13 now, so I'm almost done. There's like 2 more videos. Next week is my last week. And so far so good, man. Just been forward testing. I will break down things that I've taken, things that I understand and what I missed out. Essentially the biggest takeaway that I was ignoring was using the 5 minute to see if price is building up that structure to go back to align with the 4-hour indication. Or I use the 4-hour, I don't use the 1 hour. The 4 hour is kind of stronger. Actually, it is stronger. What am I saying? But anyway, and yeah, man, I just learned a lot. Took a trade last week, but then I lost because German 30 or 40 decided to reverse. So I guess I was in the wrong trend. Didn't feel upset, didn't feel anything. Just like, okay, I'm just clearly in the wrong trend right now. So yeah, week 13, market structure entries. I've learned. Now I'm on the psychology side now, positioning myself, putting myself in a good position to hold the trade for longer to see how far price is gonna go. And then once it starts giving me signs that it's becoming bearish or bullish, depending on where I'm taking it, then I could exit. But yeah, so far so good, man. Almost done. Yeah, I took a loss last week, but I risked like about 10% of my account, so I was like, okay, I still got like 9 more chances to grow this account. But anyway, that's enough talking. If you're still watching up until this point, thank you so much. Thank you for people who are following, commenting and all that stuff. You're pushing the boy, but I'm also trying to come up with better ways to make better videos, because I am trying to grow my platform and everything. But yeah, so I've been working in the shadows, just trying to come up with ways to do that, and also other side projects. But anyway, I also don't want to just be known as a trader, because I don't just only trade. But yeah, here's a breakdown. Yo, is this thing on? Okay, I hope it's on, because I'm about to explain shit, and I hope it doesn't. But anyway, so price, right? Price was on an uptrend, right? So mark on the candle, the, what you call this? Using the line graph. So I saw a price actually came back to this level, because this is like last week. So this is the last lower high we had. Then we had that whole indication. Then we had that correction. Price didn't really correct back to that level, but then I took this trade going back up and it hit TP. It just wicked above, but then I would have closed. Then the trade that I got into, because this is just a forward test, the trade that I actually got into was somewhere, no, what am I doing? I'm trying to get this, somewhere here. Yeah, so price indicated, gave us a small indication here, sorry. Oh my goodness, this thing is tripping, right? Oh my god, bro, Jesus. Price indicated here, right? And then kind of gave us a high low, then pushed up, high low. So I entered somewhere here. Oh, somewhere here, I think. I just entered somewhere here. Then I was in profits for a bit. Yeah, here. This was Friday. And then it just shut the bid, as you can see. So clearly I was in the wrong trend. So I'm like, okay, I'm in the wrong trend, basically. So now I'm waiting for price, because it indicated below these buy levels. Buys a week here, buys a week here. So I'm waiting for it to correct back to this level, and then we'll take price from there. Then there is a trade that I did take today, and it's kind of moving how I'd want it. So price indicated to the seller's level here, pushed down. So I was waiting for it. I had an alert here by the seller's level for it to give us a higher low, but then I saw that, okay, on the 5 minute, price is building up that structure. So I marked the last lower high we had, and then it gave me a high low, gave me another high low. Then I entered based off this, and then put my stop loss below here somewhere, around about here somewhere, and then price just started shooting up. So that's the first trade. So right now it's still floating. Then gold did the same thing, but now it's kind of like ranging. I also wanted it to correct back to that seller's level, but then I scaled to the 5 minute. Then I saw, okay, it's actually indicating that it wants to start buying up, and it's more or less close to it. Sometimes price won't get into it or tap into it, but it'll all get close like it did here. This is what gold did like last week. So I was like, okay, let me just try it out. Let me just see, and then see what price is doing. And if I scale to my thingy, it's not much, but I am looking to hold price and swing price to these highs, especially on gold. I'm waiting for it to get to like 5,600 and possibly take it to 6,000. So I'll be holding this trade till then. Like I said, I'm risking 10% of my account. And then on UK100, did the same thing. I am looking to scale in a bit, move my stop loss a bit, so I'm risking a bit less. But I think I'm just gonna let it run, let it take it to all time highs, and then hopefully hold it till we get to like around about 11,000. Yeah, and then that's it.